on a GoPro.
Is it on? Are you
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm realizing that we might be idiots.
Is it a positive ground system?
Well, I don't know. Ignition switch.
Damn, brother.
Don't wreck shit, man.
There, Paul Bunyan.
Yes.
You want a tuning?
You already know how to hook up a... Okay, so battery. Positive goes to starter motor.
Get back in there.
Yum.
Delicious. Oh fuck. Why is it so oily?
It's how they kept dirt out of the intake. The oil, the way the airflow goes through,
All
from
the
the
dirt
bottom,
lands in the oil.
lands in the oil. Oil keeps it there, and then the clean air keeps going through.
Interesting.
Oh, the oil bath system here.
Yeah.
Okay, so ground is grounded. Positive goes to...
Like, man, shit.
I can't remember how this works, Christian.
Well, we don't have anything to engage it to because we don't have the solenoid.
You're not
'Cause it's a
connected
button.
to anything there, are you?
Yeah. But the solenoid, isn't there a solenoid on there?
I think that's what the button's for. It's like mechanical.
Yeah, I'm hooked up to it.
So if I press the button,
Press the button, something should happen. So nothing's happening right now. It doesn't even make a noise now. Just hold it, damn it. Stop. Yeah, here's something now. Where's the hammer?
We're just melting down the starter, no biggie.
Ah, why did it turn off?
that's fine. It's so
Hi.
Okay, try it now. Okay, let off. On off, on off.
What if I spun the crank over?
That's what I was just thinking.
Hurry up and get on your knees.
Whoa! Okay, hold the thing.
Well, that locks it up.
Put it off. Oh, somebody put it in gear. Try it now.
No, it's in neutral.
Okay, let off the pedal then.
I'm not on the pedal.
Well, the pedal is stuck down.
Can you hit it up?
Right there.
Pedal's all the way up in here.
Your fat foot. Okay.
So it engages the flywheel, and
Maybe the starter's just locked in itself.
I think so.
I think so.
Well,
Pull the starter.
Got some
See if we can
jacks
free
under it.
free it up.
Yeah, maybe.
Huh?
unhook that. Where's that fucking...
Oh, I get it now.
What?
The pedal just engages the wheel to the flywheel.
This here?
Yeah.
Here. It pushes down on here.
And then when it pushes down on the button, that's when it's supposed to initiate it to start it.
But what's this? Christian, look at this. It's like a little flapper door on top.
Oh.
The
You
fuck
have to
is
oil
that?
the fucking thing?
Possibly.
With the gear in there you
Somebody
oil?
Google.
Somebody Google.
1938 Chev pickup.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
Oh. Oh, hey, look, there's the inside. Ooh.
Oh.
Cool.
There's some fluid in there.
Jeez, let me get it there, right? Oh, something's melted off right here. It's like this is here.
Yeah, okay.
I think maybe that's supposed to be on there.
That's probably what we're hearing melting down when it connects to something.
Put it together.
Well, here, let's just go like this. Okay, and then
Get your battery hooked up.
Keegan, hit the pedal.
Ready?
Yep. Again. Again. Hold it. Stop. Well, I really wish it would fucking, we could have had it fucking firing off the crank. You guys just can't spin it, eh? Because hit the ground or what?
You can spin it, but
Can't spin it fast.
yeah.
Well, it's just like you're turning the motor over.
What? Yeah, I know. Let's just turn. Hello? Hello?
I need to shut that down.
Hello? It was firing earlier, but then we took it. We're trying to put 12 volts to the coil instead.
Oh yeah.
Try and get a heftier spark, but fucking we got too many cables going on over here, so nobody knows what's what anymore. What? Not literally. Okay, so here is. This was going to the 6 volt, but now it's right here. Okay.
Is it possible the valves are hanging up?
It was running. What I'm trying to say.
Some of them might be hanging, but
Yeah. But what I'm saying here is it'll fire if we just gotta, if we fucking don't have 18 different kind of cables going to here.
Okay, so is that the red? Where's the other end of that one? Is that
What do you
that
mean?
one?
It's right here.
Okay, so that one goes to wherever.
So this is what we had next to the 6 volt.
And this right here is the ground. This is going nowhere. It's right there.
Okay, good. We don't want that one going anywhere.
Well, how are we gonna get it to get fucking?
So now
Because now we won't get both.
this is going to positive on the
Yes.
on the 12 volts. Okay, and that's going to the positive side of the coil.
Yes.
Okay, so all we have to do is touch that onto here, and we should. There should be little tiny sparks happening if the points are closed.
The points were working. I know they were.
Or if you just spin it over.
It's a little. Okay, hold the pedal down for a second. Okay, hold it down. Must be stuck.
Just clean the points again.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna have to
already clean them up?
Yeah. I didn't have a fucking piece of...
There's points files hanging in the garage. Little blue sleeve.
Yeah.
From Prince's Auto. There's files in there that work for the points. I use them all the time for that.
Okay, but... Yeah. That's John.
Oh, I see what we're doing. We're doing it wrong.
That's what I thought.
Oh, that's the ground.
Yeah,
That's gotta go to
this one has to go to your black thing. Now it's just, you know, when your points are closed.
Which pedal?
This is cool truck though. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I really want.
Well, it drove it. It drove into it.
Yeah. Unreal. Did all of these drive in here?
No.
No, just this.
See this oil in this thing.
It's like brand new. Honestly. Pull it out. Look at it. Pull the dipstick out. It's right here. Might have fucking stirred up a bit now.
It's not bad.
Fucking completely isn't anything else. I fucking got running out here.
Holy shit.
Excuse me, guys.
That's a win,
Yeah, that was good.
Right.
What's the coil temperature feel?
The new shit doesn't do that. Like.
No, but don't trust it on. There's Drew's
I
car.
don't like it.
Almost like it flew off the back. Go ahead.
Take this
He's holding- Yeah. Very smooth.